Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology. True or false? This is part 29. Let's start our quiz. Animals that feed on plants are called producers. False. The passage of energy from one organism to another according to a particular feeding sequence is called a food chain. True. In an ecological pyramid, the biomass of living things increases at each higher level. False. Only about 10% of the energy in a trophic level is available to organisms at the next trophic level. True. Oxygen is important for ecosystems because it is used by plants during photosynthesis. False. Scientists classify the nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, and water cycles as biogeochemical cycle. True. The burning of fossil fuel and photosynthesis are part of the phosphorus cycle. False. Aquatic ecosystems can receive a large input of a limiting nutrient from the runoff from heavily fertilized fields. True. A lake that is protected from receiving the runoff from a cultivated field is more likely to remain a healthy ecosystem. True. Seawater, sand on the beach, pebbles in sand, and broken seashells are all examples of abiotic factors at a seashore. True. Weather is the average year-after-year conditions of temperature and precipitation in a particular region. False. Carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor trap light energy. False. An organism's niche include the way the organism gets what it needs to survive and reproduce. True. Two kinds of birds eat the same food and nest in the same area. These two species of birds are in symbiosis. False. If too many herbivores live in a community, the predator population will decrease rapidly. False. A symbiotic relationship between organisms in which one species benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed is mutualism. False. A series of more or less predictable changes that occur in a community over time is ecological succession. True. Pioneer species are the first species to colonize barren areas after a disturbance. True. The temperate forest biome is typically warmer and has more rainfall than the boreal forest biome. True. The tropical rainforest is characterized by a wet season and a dry season. False. Polar ice caps and mountains are not usually classified into major land biomes. False. The depth of water in an aquatic ecosystem determines the amount of oxygen that living things receive there. False. Dear my friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False, Part 29. Let's meet again in Biology True or False, Part 30. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.